morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of Coffee and Questions. And what are we going to talk about today? This is just another quick video. I stopped down and I picked up another plane, antique one, old one, and it was going to be discarded or it was going to be gotten rid of, and I picked it up for under 10 bucks, and it's a big one right here. I'm not sure the name on it yet. It's covered in a lot of stuff. I'll zoom in if I can right here. And right here. Okay, and so I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to use mineral spirits. I am not going to polish up the steel or do anything, take away from the age on it or the coloring. It looks like it's got some kind of a black paint on this cast or whatever it was made out of. It looks like it was casted. Okay, so I'll be back in just a few minutes. What am I going to use? Now, this is a cheap thing about Harbor Freight that I like. You can buy a whole bunch of these little acid brushes, like right here. Now, this one I keep using in lacquer thinner, but I'm going to use another one for those mineral spirits to clean this up, to brush it. These things work real good. They're kind of like throwaway brushes. I think they're a good value to pick up and just have on hand. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video. I'll be back with you in a few minutes. It won't be a long video because I'm not going to really do a whole lot to it, but let's take a look at the final product, see who the manufacturer is. I'll be right back. Okay, folks, back with you, and I went ahead and I cleaned this up. And so this is what it looks like now. Okay, I did not clean the steel on this with wire brushes or do anything like that. I just used the little acid brush. I used some of that Bartender's Keeper's Helper or whatever. I'll drop the link below. In a couple of areas I did use some mineral spirits, but I used that little acid brush from, well, not at Harbor Freight. I was going to say Home Depot, but that's not true. I bought them at Harbor Freight. You get packs of 50 for next to nothing. Anyway, who's it manufactured by? A place called Bailey, B-A-I-L-E-Y. It's got number 8 on this back panel here, this back part of it. Bailey's up on the front. So let's see if I can get a good close-up here. Okay, so this is another one. It was Dustin, I guess, for the junk pile, or I don't know what he was just going to do with it. He had it in a box like he's done a bunch of stuff, but selling things intermittently. Anyway, and of getting this, I'll add it to the collection of the other planes that you've seen online that I keep doing these simple little restorations on. I don't alter them at all. I leave them in the condition that they're in and just clean them up. So, all right, I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe. I hope you keep following me. This was a real fast, kind of like a treasure find thing and how I cleaned it up. And I've done a bunch of these so far, and I'll continue to do them as I'm able to buy those things. So I hope you click subscribe. I hope you keep following me. And well, I'll see you on the next video. We will do something different. And hit the notification bell. Thanks. Bye-bye.